Welcome back to Money Sense. Now that you know how to invest in stocks or mutual fund, this time we'll talk about what stocks or mutual fund is best for long-term investment. As I have discussed in some of my previous videos, we choose only blue chip stocks and index fund or growth fund for mutual fund. Blue chip stocks are companies with excellent reputation and can stand even the test of time. They are well established with so much funds during difficult time. Investing in stock market or mutual fund is less risky if you invest in long term in those stocks only. That's why I'm confident that you'll be profitable once you reach the number of years of your goal. Without further ado, let me show you the stocks that I think is best during this time. I say during this time because time changes. The stocks that we choose today may not work in the future. I compiled a list of stocks on my website at MoneySense. All of these stocks are also listed as blue chip stocks by Philippine Stock Exchange or PSE, but filtered down based on my own knowledge. Since there's a lot of stocks here, I will only discuss few of them. Like, for example, AC or Ayala Land Corporation. Anybody will agree with me that AC is one of the best stock out there. Let's open the graph of AC to see the historical prices of this stock. We'll use Instagrams in this case. Now, open instagrams.com. Let's search AC and click View Full Chart. And select 10-year period. As you can see, from 2010 to 2017, the highest total return of this stock is almost 330%. That's 47% return per annum from 2010 to 2017. Since then, the stocks has dropped by 40%. But don't worry, since this is a blue chip stock, it will bounce back in no time. The most is 2 years. The best thing to do now is buy more of this stock. Just think about having a big discount this time. A 40% sale. You can't have this kind of discount if not because of the pandemic we're facing right now. Let's open another one. This time, let's look at video. Now, let's select 10-year period again. As you can see, its highest peak reaches 300%. That's 37.5% return per annum from 2010 to 2018. Now do your own research. Open an account in Instagrams. It's free and do your homework. For mutual fund, I recommend that you invest primarily on peso securities. Those funds with name like index fund, equity fund, growth fund, or the like. These funds are less risky if you invest in long-term horizon. I highly recommend that you invest on the following index funds only. XSLEQ for Sun Life Prosperity Equity Fund, XPEEQ for PIL Equity Fund, XPEIF for PIL Equity PSE Index Fund. You can see a full list of accredited index funds at pfa.com.ph. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, just comment below and I will be very glad to answer it during my free time. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel so you'll get notified once I upload another video. Happy investing! Bye bye!